What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit the htaccess file in cPanel to fix some common WordPress errors. If you've ever had issues with permalinks, page loading with errors, redirect loops, or strange not found messages, there's a good chance your htaccess file is corrupted or missing the correct rewrite rules. The good news is that this fix only takes a few minutes and you can do it all from inside your hosting account. And that's one of the big advantages of hosting your site with RackNerd's shared cPanel hosting. With File Manager included, you have full access to your WordPress configuration files, which makes troubleshooting simple and fast. If you're not already hosting with us, be sure to check out RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make managing and repairing your website smooth and reliable. Before we start, I'll also mention that in other tutorials, I've already shown you how to repair a broken htaccess file and how to troubleshoot WordPress errors through File Manager. In this video, we're going to focus on resetting your htaccess file using the default WordPress rewrite rules. So let's go ahead and move right into the steps. So start by logging into your cPanel account. Once you're inside, scroll down to the main dashboard and click on File Manager. In File Manager, navigate to the folder where your WordPress site is installed. In most cases, this is going to be the public_HTML directory, unless your site is inside a subfolder. So go ahead and click on that location. Next, you want to make sure that you can actually see the htaccess file. So in the top right of the File Manager, click on Settings and check the box that says Show Hidden Files. After you save that, the htaccess file should appear in the list. Once you see the htaccess file, right-click on it, choose Edit. A small pop-up may warn you about editing system files. Just click Edit again to continue. When the file opens, you may see corrupted lines, empty content, or rules added by old plugins. We're going to replace everything in this file with WordPress's default rewrite rules. So go ahead and highlight the entire content of this file and delete them. Now paste in the normal WordPress rewrite rules, which look like this. After pasting the new rules, click Save Changes at the top right of the editor and close the file. Now head over to your browser and refresh your website. Broken permalinks should be fixed immediately. Redirect loops, not found errors, and page loading incorrectly often resolve right away once the correct rewrite rules are in place. If you want to regenerate the htaccess file through WordPress itself, you can also log into your dashboard or go to Settings and click on the permalinks. Without changing anything, just hit Save. WordPress will automatically rebuild the file using the rules you just added. And that's it, you have successfully edited your htaccess file using cPanel to fix common WordPress errors. Resetting this file is one of the fastest ways to repair permalink problems and redirect issues, and it's something that every WordPress user should know how to do. This is another great example of why RackNerd's cPanel hosting gives you so much control. With tools like File Manager, you can repair and maintain your site with just a few clicks. If you're looking for reliable hosting with full cPanel access, head over to RackNerd.com. And if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more simple step-by-step guides just like this. All right, that wraps up for today's video. Catch you in the next one.